And you just wonder, how can serious people talk about such a thing? And when you see that it's almost everywhere that they put in new laws where they try to really impose this new theory, you say, but where do they come from? Where do they go? We are dealing with people who want to demolish human nature. And why so? We have an answer with Lenin. Lenin, who talks about fatherhood. And he said it this way: we must demolish the relation of the children towards the father so that they cannot go to God, because God is Father. And here you have something of the same. There is an expression which says, "Gratia non tollit naturam." The grace does not take away the nature. The grace is given by God upon nature. If there is no nature, the grace needs a substrate which is our human nature. You will have the virtues which will uplift our will, our intelligence. And you have this unbelievable action of the enemies of the human kind, human nature. That's the name which was given by the Church directly to the Freemasonry. They belong to those who try to work to demolish, in a certain way, let's say, the normal human nature and the normal relation of human nature to God. It's impossible, but they try nevertheless to demolish the nature, to make it impossible for a human being to get to God. And sometimes it works.